students, I'm Richa Paul and welcome you all on my YouTube channel HR Theorist. This video is designed specifically for those who have a management background. In this lecture, we will discuss about the management dimensions under the title Management Outlook Part 4. This presentation intends to offer you a thorough understanding of the concept. Without any delay, let's begin. Management dimensions. Businesses and public service institutions are a part of society. They don't exist just for themselves, but to serve a purpose and fulfill the needs of society, communities, or individuals. There are three essential tasks in managing any institution, each with equal importance but distinct in nature. First one, defining and pursuing a specific purpose and mission. The second one, enhancing worker productivity and fostering worker achievement. The third one, assessing and addressing societal impact and responsibility. Let's use an example of retail clothing store to explain these three tasks. First task, defining and pursuing a specific purpose and mission. The retail clothing store may have a specific purpose and mission to provide high quality fashion at affordable prices while promoting sustainable and ethical practices in the fashion industry. Their mission could be to offer trending clothing options that are environmentally friendly and ethically sourced. Let's break it down and understand each aspect. Affordable price. Affordable pricing in retail clothing refers to offering product at reasonable and accessible prices to a wide range of consumers. Retail clothing brands that offer affordable pricing often employ cost-effective production methods. This may include efficient supply chain management, bulk purchasing of materials, and streamlined manufacturing process. The second one, high quality and promote sustainability. Sustainable fashion clothing takes into account the entire life cycle of a garment, from sourcing raw materials to manufacturing, distribution, and disposal. It involves minimizing the environmental impact at each stage by using eco-friendly materials such as organic cotton or recycled polyester, reducing water and energy consumption, and implementing responsible waste management practices. The third one, ethical standards. Ethical retail clothing brands prioritize fair labor practices, which includes providing safe working conditions, fair wages, and reasonable working hours for all workers involved in the production process. The second one, enhancing work productivity and fostering worker achievement. The store management focus on improving work productivity by implementing efficient inventory management system, optimizing store layout for easy navigation, and providing comprehensive training to employees. They also foster worker achievements by setting performance goals, recognizing employee contribution, and offering opportunities for professional growth such as training programs or internal promotions. To gain a comprehensive understanding, let's examine and explore each aspect individually. Improving productivity and efficient inventory. Improving productivity and efficient inventory management go hand in hand in retail and other industry. Suppose under streamlined processes under this process by implementing efficient inventory management systems, businesses can optimize their operations and streamline processes. This includes accurately tracking inventory levels, automating reorder points, and using data analysis to forecast demand. The second one, optimizing store layout and providing training. Optimizing store layout and providing training are two interconnected strategies that contribute to enhancing the overall performance and customer experience in retail setting. Let's say store layout optimization involves strategically arranging product display to create an efficient and customer-friendly shopping environment. It connects with other factors such as customer flow, product visibility, inventory management. The third task, assessing and addressing societal impact and responsibility. The retail clothing store, acknowledging its societal impact and responsibility. They take measures to minimize their environmental footprint, such as using eco-friendly packaging, recycling programs, and collaborating with sustainable fashion brands. They may also engage in philanthropic activities, that is humanitarian, by supporting local charities or partnering with organizations that promote social causes such as fair trade initiatives or clothing donations for disadvantaged communities. Let's understand each aspect in detail. Eco-friendly packaging. Eco-friendly packaging refers to packaging materials and practices that have reduced environmental impact compared to traditional packaging methods. It involves using materials that are sustainable, recyclable, biodegradable, and employing packaging designs that minimize waste and resource consumption. Eco-friendly packaging aims to reduce the carbon footprint, minimize pollution, conserve resources, and promote a more sustainable approach to packaging and shipping products. The second one, sustainable fashion and recycling programs. By, by integrating sustainable practices into fashion production and implementing recycling programs, the fashion industry can reduce its environmental footprint, conserve resources, and foster a more circular and sustainable economy. In summary, by integrating specific objectives and mission, productivity and worker achievements, and societal impact and responsibility, the retail clothing store aligns its purpose with enhancing productivity, addressing social impacts, and promoting worker achievements, resulting in a positive impact on customers, employees, and the community. This reference serves as the basis for discussing the dimensions of management and has provided the ideas on the topic. Thank you, students, for your attention. As a student of management, I strongly believe that presenting management topics in an interesting and innovative way which improves the learning processes. My goal with this video was to give you valuable information and I hope I have accomplished that. If you have any questions, suggestions or query, if there is any management related topic you had like to me cover, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to show your support by liking, subscribing and sharing this educational video.